You walk outside with your morning coffee, look across the fence, and notice the neighbor's new pool enclosure. It's sleek, dark, and looks more like a high-end resort feature than a backyard cage. Then you look up at your own. The white aluminum frame feels cluttered, and the busy geometry of the beams overhead suddenly feels like it's obstructing your view. If your patio feels out of date, you aren't imagining things. Florida's outdoor construction standards have undergone a massive overhaul over the last 20 years. Modern, premium outdoor spaces are now defined by 4 specific, measurable design shifts that move away from the basic building practices of the early 2000s. Recognizing these engineering and aesthetic changes allows you to treat your outdoor space as a deliberate, high-value expansion of your home's footprint. The first major shift is immediately visible. Modern projects have moved away from white aluminum in favor of dark bronze finishes. While white was the old default, Florida's humidity causes these light frames to highlight mildew, dirt, and surface wear almost immediately. Dark bronze hides that everyday debris. More importantly, the dark profile allows the structure to recede into the background, blending naturally with your tropical landscaping. The second shift addresses how you actually see your backyard. We're moving away from the busy look of frequent vertical support bars to create open, wide-angle sightlines. Standard cage engineering once required vertical posts every few feet to support the roof, effectively chopping up the horizon and making the patio feel confined. This is the picture view design. By utilizing significantly stronger top beams, engineers can remove every single vertical post along your primary viewing wall. This panoramic upgrade is now the single most requested feature for pool owners who want their backyard to feel like an open-air extension of the home. By pairing bronze frames with picture view engineering, the aluminum profile practically vanishes, leaving nothing but an open view of the landscape. Beyond how the structure looks, the third shift focuses on the hidden physics required to keep it standing during a storm. Florida's building codes have tightened significantly because older, lightweight structures prove too vulnerable to high-velocity wind events. During a hurricane, the kinetic force of the wind creates massive pressure loads, bending aluminum members and stripping the mesh right out of the tracks. To prevent this, diagonal K-braces and support cables are now standard requirements. They take those extreme wind loads and route that energy directly down into the foundation. That energy is held by a monolithic anchoring system. Heavy-duty steel anchors bolt the frame deep into the concrete slab, ensuring the structure stays put when the pressure peaks. Despite this massive increase in strength, the hardware remains low profile, providing durability without cluttering the aesthetic. This ensures your enclosure is built to meet the same rigorous engineering standards as the house it's attached to. The final shift treats the screen enclosure as an intentional living area, matching the climate control and comfort of the home's interior. 20 years ago, the only goal was keeping out insects. Today, the focus has shifted toward how much time you can actually spend in the space. We see more custom ambient lighting, integrated ceiling fans, and privacy screens, designed to make the patio function like a fully realized outdoor living room. These built-in features ensure the backyard is usable and comfortable at any time of day, regardless of the heat or sun exposure. These 4 shifts redefine the role of a pool cage, ensuring the space is utilized every day while increasing the property's long-term market value. Bringing these modern standards to your home requires a builder that understands the nuances of the Florida code. Screen Factory Florida provides this expertise across Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Naples, Sarasota, Tampa, and statewide. With a 4.9 Google rating and full BBB accreditation, they manage the entire process, from free measurements and 3D designs to a 365-day warranty. Click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation and start designing your own modern outdoor living space.